Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about managing money, a topic that's essential for adult life and one that requires very specific vocabulary. Let's start with budgeting. A budget is a plan for your money, how much you earn, how much you spend, and how much you save. Creating a budget begins with tracking your spending. You might be surprised to discover where your money actually goes. You might say, I started tracking my expenses last month. I had no idea how much I was spending on takeaways. Income is the money you earn. Your fixed expenses are costs that stay the same each month, like rent, a mortgage payment, or a phone contract. Variable expenses change, like food, transport, or entertainment. An emergency fund is savings set aside for unexpected costs, a car repair, a medical bill, or losing your job. Financial advisors often recommend saving 3 to 6 months of expenses as an emergency fund. You might say, I'm building up my emergency fund, I want to have a proper safety net. Credit and debt are important concepts. When you borrow money, using a credit card, taking out a loan, or going into overdraft, you usually pay interest. Interest is the extra amount you pay for borrowing. High interest rates mean debt grows quickly. You might say, I'm paying off my credit card in full each month, I refuse to pay interest. A pension is a long-term savings scheme that provides you with income when you retire. In the UK, employers must automatically enroll employees into a workplace pension. You might say, I've increased my pension contributions, it makes sense to start early. Today we covered budgeting, tracking expenses, emergency funds, credit and debt, and pensions. Financial vocabulary is powerful. Understanding it puts you in control. See you next lesson.